Hello everyone. This is my second task for my virtual internship program under Let's Grow More in the data science field. So this is a very simple task. I have to take an image and turn it into a pencil sketch just with Python. So let's run these cells. Firstly, I'm only going to use OpenCV and some functions to actually do this task. So let's run. So as you can see, this is my first original image. This is the image that I'm going to use. Now the first thing that I'll have to do is actually turn the image into grayscale. For that I am using my OpenCV and just using the color background to gray function, RGB to gray function, and with that I'm turning this into grayscale. So if I press the button A, it's going to turn into grayscale. So this is the grayscale image that you will see. Okay. Now I will invert the grayscale image. For that I will actually take all the pixels and subtract their value from 255. If 255 is the largest value a red, green or blue pixel can have, then subtracting each of that value from 255 will give me the inverted image. So let's press A, and yeah, here we have the inverted image of the grayscale version. Now I will be doing two tasks in one. I will actually make a blurred version of this with the Gaussian blur function in CV2, and then I will also invert that blur image, thus making it black and white. So you can see I'm firstly inverting the blurred image, and then I will actually divide the blurred image into gray image and inverted blur image, and the scale will be actually 256.0. So this will actually give me the pencil sketch that we want. So tada, my pencil sketch is here. Accepting this, you might ask what the other functions are for. These are just checking if my keyboard has pressed A. If I press A, then the window is going to destroy itself, and these are just my main function. This main function actually takes all the values, all the functions, and orchestrates them. That's why I used it, and this is just calling the main function. So that was it. It was pretty short. Thank you for listening.